James. What's your role here at Kawneer?
So I'm the product manager for windows, window walls, and balcony entrances. So basically my role is to manage and oversee that whole entire portfolio of products. So that means asking the new product development team, giving them the directions on what we want for new products, also what to do with enhancements to existing products, and then also supporting manufacturing with any questions they may have about those products, and then also engaging with customers, teaching them about those products as well.
How did you get started in the industry?
So my very first role with a different company, I was an application engineer and basically in charge of helping customers design profiles for building and construction applications. And I just kind of stuck with that, gained some industry experience, got involved in ALMA, FGIA, and then eventually I left the industry, saw an opening at Kawneer for a product engineer role. And it really fit what I had going on. And since I had the building construction background, it was an easier transition. And then I did that for about a year, and then eventually I got promoted into the product management role.
And what emerging trends are you seeing in the industry, and which ones are you most excited about?
So I think really the big thing now is sustainability. We've had a really big push in that. So low carbon, so not just your lean and things like that, but going more low carbon, more sustainable is probably one of the biggest things, along with ultra thermal. Those things kind of go hand in hand as we want to decrease our energy usage. So a lot of what we see from Kawneer moving forward will be ultra thermal energy efficient products.
What's one piece of advice you'd give someone who's starting in a role like yours?
I think the biggest piece of advice is to be a sponge. There's so much information, there's so many different products and so many different configurations. So it's really just taking the time to take all of that in. And it's going to take time. There's not a really shortcut to do it, but you really have to immerse yourself in learning about the different products, the different uses, how our customers view these products, and also just picking the brains of people. Especially here at Kawneer, there's a lot of great people with lots of experience for many years. So I always lean on those numbers just to kind of fill my brain, give me more knowledge about what we've done in the past and why we do things the way that we do. So that's really the biggest thing, just soaking up a lot of information.
Outside of the office, what do you like to do in your free time?
So I love cars. So if we're at a car show, I'm watching football, I'm cooking on the grill. So those are my three biggest things, along with shopping, which I shouldn't do as much of.
What's one of the most interesting projects you worked on here at Kawneer?
So I can't give all the details because it's still ongoing, so it's top secret, but we're developing a couple of new systems that are really going to be groundbreaking, ultra thermal, lots of varieties. It's going to be able to do a lot in the window wall market. So I'm looking forward to it. It's been one of the most exciting projects I've worked on so far.